Hey guys, Bob and Taylor here to compare the European SUPER73 lineup and help you decide what bike is right for you.
Our current lineup is made up of 4 unique models, the ZG, the ZX, the S2 and the RX.
Our bikes are designed to cater to the rider's needs, so each model has different specs and perks to adapt to your riding style.
Before we start, if you do want a more in-depth look into each model, we're going to add the links of the overview videos in the description. With that being said, let's get started. For starters, we have the ZG that is priced at €1,499 and it is the entry-level bike for anybody looking to add a bit of adventure in their life, whether it be riding around the neighborhood or taking a quick trip to the city. Unlike the other models, the ZG has a steel frame and comes in 5 different colors. It comes in white, jet black, steel blue, Astra orange, and millennium pink. It comes with a 400-watt battery and offers you 24 to 32 kilometer range on a full charge. The size, price, and features of this bike make it the best bike to enter the SUPER73 family.
Moving on to the next model in the Z series is the SUPER73 ZX, which sells for €2,499. This bike is the newest addition to the SUPER73 lineup and is designed to be accessible to all types of riders. The frame of the ZX is similar to the frame of the ZG, only it's larger and made with an aluminum alloy, and it comes in Moonrock and Storm Grey. Another difference is that the battery is removable. It is a 615 watt-hour battery and has a range of about 60 to 80 kilometers depending on your riding style. The bike comes with a 250 watt e-pack limited motor and has a peak power of 1350 watt. You can connect the bike to the SUPER73 app to switch between riding modes for a higher motor output. The SUPER73 ZX comes with a Tektro brake system, front and rear lights, a fender set, a 10-speed Shimano gear system and Lizard tires.
Next we have the SUPER73 S2, which is priced at €3,399. The S2 is really the bread and butter of the lineup. It offers you everything you need, whether it be a long adventure or a trip through the city. It comes in 3 different colors, the Hudson Blue, the Apollo White, and Galaxy Black. You will get around 100 kilometers range in Mode 1 at 25 kilometers an hour, then about 50 kilometer range in Mode 4 for private land and off-road use. It comes standard with a 2-up seat, Magura brakes, a set of fenders and front and rear lights, as well as front suspension. This bike offers you the perfect balance between adventure and everyday riding.
And last but not least, we have the SUPER73 RX, which is priced at €4,199. The RX is geared to those people that want to add an extra shot of off-road adventure into their lives. The frame of the RX comes in 3 different colors. We have olive drab, carmine red and rhino grey. You're gonna get around 100 kilometers to the charge with an e-pack certified top speed of 25 kilometers an hour. You're gonna get around 50 kilometers in Mode 4, which is meant for private land use and off-road riding. The RX is the only bike that comes with both front and rear suspension. It as well comes with front and rear lights, a Magura brake system, 10-speed gearing and app connectivity. What's unique on this model is that the design of the bike offers its riders an off-road adventure lifestyle.
It's important to note that all of our bikes are e-pack certified, meaning they have a top speed of 25 kilometers an hour and are designed to be ridden on public roads in Europe and the UK. Keep in mind that if you decide to switch to a different mode, you are not allowed to ride on public roads as this is illegal. You can always reach out to our customer service team 5 days a week by phone or email if you have any other questions or want to know more about our bike models.
And that was the full lineup available here in Europe. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. In the link under this video, you can book your test ride at our HQ in Amsterdam or at the local dealer. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.